Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a 2D version cat on a bench. First, you make a line here and a line there. And then you make this. Just a little slouch there. 2 lines. And cut it in. And then you make a line here with another line there. And another line here with another line there. And then you take the pencil and draw this and this gray. Then you take the orange, color in this line. And then after that, take this. You take the permanent marker and you make the arm of the bench. And after that, you make the body of the cat right there. Right there. And after that, you make slouches on the bottom. Make 4. 1. Okay, see? 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And make 2 lines in the middle of every one. After that, make a head, 2 ears, and a little nose that's like a hollow. And 2 eyes. Color in the eyes and make 2 other triangles in the ears and a mouth. And then you can color the cat whatever you want, like pink or anything. It's pretty colorful, even. What I'm doing is making the ears pink. And the nose orange, and all the feet is black, and the gray. What I'm doing also is the gray. Gray is the stomach. And pink for the face. There you have it. A 2D version of cat sitting on a bench.